Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and proven roadmap to earning real income using Google AdSense. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's tried and failed before, this video will break everything down step by step so you can finally start making consistent profit online. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to the channel because today's video will save you months of trial and error, and you definitely don't want to miss future videos. Let's get started. 1. What AdSense really is and how it pays you. Google AdSense is one of the easiest ways to make money online. You place ads on your website, and when people visit your pages and click on these ads, you get paid. Simple idea, but there's a catch. Not all clicks pay the same. Some keywords pay only a few cents, while others can pay $1 or more. And successful publishers don't leave this to luck. They target profitable keywords on purpose. 2. The secret behind high-paying keywords. The people who make a living from AdSense don't build random websites. They choose topics carefully by studying what people search for the most, which keywords advertisers pay the most for, which niches have low competition. This is the difference between earning $5 per month and $500 per month. 3. The first big challenge? Getting approved. Google is picky. To get approved, your website must be complete, no under construction pages. Have original, useful content. Follow Google's policies, load fast and look clean. Once you're approved, you can place AdSense on any website you own. 4. Choosing a profitable niche. Don't pick a broad niche like weight loss. Pick a sub-niche like weight loss for diabetics, fitness for office workers, healthy recipes for busy moms. Smaller niches equals easier traffic plus more targeted ads. 5. Building an AdSense-friendly website. Your website should follow a few rules. Use simple, fast-loading design. Write 100% unique content. Place keywords naturally, 2 to 3% density. Add internal links. Make your site pleasant and distraction-free. Remember this: the better your content, the better the ads you attract. 6. Smart ad placement. This is where many beginners fail. The most profitable ad placements: a large rectangle under the title, a skyscraper on the right side. Link ads in, near your navigation, a rectangle at the end of your article. And yes, blending the ads with your website colors works much better. 7. How to get traffic without paying. You can't earn money without traffic. Here are the safest and most powerful free methods. Article marketing. Publish short articles on article directories. Build backlinks and traffic. Blogging. Blog posts are easy to rank and fast to share. Forum marketing. Participate in niche forums using a signature linking back to your site. Social bookmarking. Add your pages to bookmarking sites for quick traffic spikes. Social networking. Use Facebook groups, pages, and communities to spread your content. YouTube videos. Create simple videos reviewing or explaining topics in your niche. Traffic is everything. Without it, AdSense pays zero. 8. Avoid these traffic mistakes. Never buy cheap traffic packages. Use pop-ups. Spam your links. Use black hat SEO. Ignore tracking and analytics. These mistakes can even get you banned. 9. How to scale to $100 per day. The biggest earners don't have one website. They have multiple websites, each earning a small amount. Example: 10 websites earning $3 to $10 per day, each equals $30 to $100 per day. You grow like this. Keep adding content, keep building new mini sites, track what works, improve what's not working. Follow Google's rules. Always, AdSense isn't a get-rich-quick method. It's a system that rewards smart planning, consistency, and long-term thinking. If you choose the right niche, build a simple, high-quality site, place ads strategically, and drive traffic consistently, then yes, you can absolutely build a real, stable online income. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials, guides, and step-by-step strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.